All right, today we're going to be servicing this 15 horsepower Briggs and Stratton mower, just doing the oil. We did have a little bit of a rocker cover gasket leak, which was causing it to drip on the exhaust and cause smoke and also lose oil. As you can see here, we are low on oil and it's also pretty dark, so we'll be changing it out today. As you can see, directly beneath that fill neck, you have a little square plug. That's for your oil. I just have a little contraption cut out of a washer bucket, and I cut the top off to create a little bit of funnel so it's gonna mess all over the frame. But we're gonna be filling it back up with some Briggs and Stratton oil. This should take all 48 ounces, so it should be this whole bottle goes back in, but we'll get there when we get there. So you can get adjustable wrench or pair of pliers, whatever you want down there, and crack that loose, and then we'll drain all the oil out. Set you guys up here. I'm just using a pair of Nipex. Pull our plug out. So that plastic is working well. We're gonna have a lot less mess than we would have before. You can see here we got our plug. It's got just a square on it. And doesn't appear to be magnetic, so we don't have any metal buildup or anything on it. Yeah, we're just gonna let our oil drain out. Hopefully have less of a mess than we would have before. You can see that oil is really dark. Let that drain out. Crack open our bottle. Just get that all ready. Like I said, we were low on oil, but you know, if you're not, you should have a lot more than that. But pause and come back once it's all run out. All right, so we're back. You can see here, really dark oil came out of that. This is my first time servicing it since I've owned the mower, so you know, this shit's pretty bad, but good thing we're getting that out of there. So you put your drain plug back in, tighten it back down, get it down finger tight. And we're just gonna, you don't want to put it too tight, but also don't want it leaking, right? So right in there, down to where she's snug. And then we're snug, get you a little rag, just clean up any residual. Then we're gonna start adding in our new oil. So let me grab my funnel. Just drop the light in the background. Alright, funnel in, our new oil. And like I said, we're just gonna add 48 fluid ounces for this particular engine.
Gunshots?
What?
Do you know where there's like there was just like 10 what sounded like 10 gunshots going off?
Could have been.
Not like that. Do you know where any of his winter jackets are?
And they're in the wash. Well, actually, his Mickey Mouse one thing's inside.
Where? You know?
Probably upstairs.
I didn't see it in his room.
Alright, so we got our 48 fluid ounces in there. Take our funnel out. Put our dipstick back in. I'm just gonna spin the motor over by hand a couple times just to get some of the oil flowing. What you're hearing there is the compression. I don't have the spark plug in right now. Anyways, take this out. Wipe it off. And on this particular dipstick, see the 2 dots, there's some hash lines in between. One would be on roundabouts there. Go in. Lift it up. And if you take a look on here, we are exactly at the full dot, if not maybe just a little bit past it. But if you note the color of this oil, it's more like a translucent brown as opposed to how dark this old oil is. So make sure you're changing your oil, you know, at the end of the season or just before the new season, if not more regularly if you are running the mower a lot. Okay, put your dipstick back in. And that's how you service the oil on a Briggs and Stratton, but just about any mower really.